everyone, Liliana from Vanilla Canela here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. If you are new, I do videos on anything about the home and home life and family life. So if you think that's something you would like, please go ahead and press the subscribe button. I would love to have you here. And don't forget to press the little bell so you get notifications. Now, let's get straight into this video. I have been wanting to organise one of my kitchen cupboards to house all of Alex's school lunches related stuff, but also his plates and cutlery and all of that. It was a bit of a tip, and take a look at what I did. So this is what the cupboard looks like at the moment. The first thing I'm going to do is get everything out. So this is all the stuff that I'm going to have to find a new home for. So it's nothing to do with Alex. Now I just have to figure out what to do with this. I managed to squeeze it all in there. So we've had it in place now for a few days, and so far it's been working out a treat. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!